Hey, look, listen. We gonna get to it. How we gonna get to it, baby? We gonna get to it. How we gonna get to it, man? What's good? What's going on, man? It's your boy B, and we back in this mother with another vid, man. We got a quick unboxing here, man. Most of y'all already probably know what this is. You can see by the title anyway. You can read, you know what I'm saying, for my people out there who just don't be clicking on videos. But anyways, man, quick unboxing of the I want to call it a PSP. I don't know why, man. Y'all see what we got going on, man. PlayStation Portal here. Now, if y'all want me to see me like play this like on like a couple of my games like NBA 2K, Madden, the new Modern Warfare 3, maybe even Spider-Man, y'all drop a like on the video and I got y'all. So it comes in a nice little package, man. Something different, something unique. The box all gray with remote player up there. PlayStation logo on the box as well. Got your little logo here. I don't know what this is. I thought it was a pull tab. I guess you can call that a pull tab. Man. All right.
Oh my.
Outside unboxing. You guys see what's going on, man. Ain't too much to talk about. We'll save that for last. Let's get this right here. Oh, fumble. Okay. Here it is. PlayStation 5 Portal. Ah, this is tough. Damn, this is tough. This is actually fire, man. The crazy thing is, it actually feels natural in the hands too, man. Like I said, you do have to connect this via Bluetooth to your console. So your console has to be on. It can't be off like while you playing this. And I'm not sure if it has like audio. So I think I got to buy like some earbuds or something in order to use this with my PlayStation to hear sound. Hopefully not. Y'all let me know if y'all know down below in the comments, man. But this is, I believe it's a 7-inch screen display, if I'm not mistaken. I believe it's a 7-inch screen display. So pretty nice size, man. Pretty nice size. Ooh. Typical controller, man. There's a closer look up at the PlayStation remote. Portal remote, man. Triggers here. You got some buttons that look like oh, those are speakers. So it do got speakers on the back of the PlayStation Portal, man. Not sure if they gonna, I think they're speakers. Hopefully they are speakers. You got the volume buttons here on the right side. Yeah, those look like speakers. You also have your mute button as well. Mute button right there. So you pretty much get all your typical buttons that you would get on a PlayStation 5 controller. Now, I'm not sure how you charge this. Okay, at the bottom, they got the USB Type-C connection, so you can charge it at right there. And you also have the headphone jack, so we will be able to use this with some headphones. That's fire. Okay, bet. Like I said, man, y'all get in the comments. Let me know if y'all want to see me game on this bad buddy right here, man. I got a couple of games on the PlayStation, so that you guys probably want to see. So let me know down below in the comments, man. Appreciate you guys for checking this quick unboxing. It does come with that charger, like I said, man. It fell in this box right here. So you get your, so it's a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. So there you guys go. So I guess you could just plug this up into your PS5. I was like, oh, that maybe should have included a block, but I guess you really don't need one. So they just want you to plug it up into your PS5. I wish it did come with a block, but it is what it is. To each his own. The black and white. I want to see an all black one, bro. Like I don't know. I'm just a fan of all black accessories, bro. That's just me, man. That's just me. All black products. Like I said, man, y'all drop a like on the video if y'all want to see me play some games on this bad buddy, man. 7-inch screen display. Pretty nice size screen display here, man. Guys, enjoy the video. You already know what to do, man. Hit the like button. Subscribe, click the bell icon, turn notification on so you don't miss no bangers, man. I catch y'all next video. I'm up out of here.